We need to make some changes on how the scene is set up in order to set up and test the jumping state. We need to reset the gravity scale back how it was. It was disabled when setting up and testing the idle state. If we set that back to 1, the game object would just keep falling. Let's update the scene so the player game object doesn't keep falling. Let's create a new ground game object and add a 2D collider. Let's update the player rigid body gravity scale and disable the rotation. We need to disable this field so not to make it seem like the game object is falling when moving horizontal. Let's also add a collider to the player game object. Next, let's create a new layer called ground and update the ground game object layer to this new layer. Once all those changes are made, when you hit play, the player game object would stop falling.